Hey guys, I am scrolling on TikTok, guys, and I came to a lot of posts about increasing, um, doubling, tripling health insurance premiums and cost, and retired people living on snaps, and they are going to food banks to get some food. Guys, this is bad. America 2026, guys, is not gonna be a joke. It's gonna be an awakening to all of us American people. um we need to bear in mind who are we voting for. um this is so sad, honestly. It's so sad. A lot of people is going to lose their homes. More homeless people is going to be wandering around in the streets. A lot of people gonna be limited on food. Jobs is disappearing. We are losing more jobs than we are gaining. So guys, it's like it's sad all the way around. So I have a job, guys. I don't make that much money. I have a roof over my head. I'm thankful. I have a car that I'm driving. I'm thankful. I'm healthy. I'm thankful. But not everybody is. And I feel everybody's pain, everybody's burden, everybody's concern. I feel you guys. I feel you. I am an empath. Okay. I feel bad. I cry easily. I know how you feel. Guys, it's so sad. Okay. I don't want to cry right now. I don't want to cry, but inside me, I feel like it hurts. I feel I want to cry. And I want to ask God, why is this happening? Why is God letting this man treat the people in America like this? I want to ask him that, but I don't want to question God. I don't want to, all I want is pray. The only thing I can do right now, guys, is pray and hope for the best. Okay? And in the back of my mind, there must be some reason, some good reason behind this, why this is happening in America. So, guys, I don't know what the future holds in America, but it's sad all the way around. So let's just hope for the best. Get out and vote. Do the right thing. Get out and vote. God bless.